how to renew Canadian passport online. Follow the steps till the end so you don't miss any important point. In first step, check your eligibility criteria. Your current passport was issued within the last 15 years. Your name, date of birth, and place of birth have not changed. Your passport was never reported stolen or damaged. You were at least 16 years old when your last passport was issued. You cannot renew online if your passport expired more than 15 years ago. You need to change your name or personal details. Your passport was lost, stolen, or damaged. On the other hand, let's go to step number 2. Your current passport scanned or photograph. A digital passport photo that meets Government of Canada requirements, a valid email address, and a credit or debit card for payment. After all this, start your online application. Visit the official IRCC website, click on Renew Your Passport Online, and log in with your GC key or sign-in partner. Fill out the form with your personal details and passport number. Upload your digital passport photo, review your information, and submit your application. Now pay the renewal fee and receive your new passport. Processing time typically 10 to 20 business days, may be longer during high application volume. Your new passport will be mailed to your address. That's it.